In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace contact form to your email so that your leads are coming in to your email and you are able to respond via email as well. So once you're logged into your site, you'll head over to your contact page, and you can do that by clicking the button that's up here, or you can go to website and click your contact page. And once you're in there, you'll see your contact form. You're going to click edit, and you're going to navigate to your form, click on your form, and when this little pen pops up, click edit. And you can change your form name here if you'd like. It doesn't really have any impact on your site itself. You could change the button if you would like for it to say send message, or anything like that you would like. And you can edit it here. Where you're going to want to go to make sure it's connected to the email address that you prefer is going to be under storage. And you'll see email notification here. You'll simply click here and you'll update your email address to whatever you'd like it to be. It will default to our team, and you can update that anytime. You can also add additional storage, so if you wanted to connect to a Google Doc or spreadsheet, or if you wanted to connect to your Mailchimp account, anything like that. And then we have the Google reCAPTCHA, which we recommend leaving on. It's going to help prevent spam, but you can always turn that on or off depending on your preference. So once that's complete, you'll just click out. And if you have no changes, it will just prompt you to exit. If you have changes, it will prompt you to click save. And then we always recommend going in and testing that to ensure. So you can always just add some test content. Add any email here will be fine. And then you'll want to click send message and ensure that's going to the correct place. And that's how you update your contact form to go to the correct email.